You almost got it. Did you find it? I don't think you got it at all. What were you digging? Oh, the plants. How about this one? It's a big rock. There you go. There you go. Dig it out. There you go. There you go. All right. Good boy. Good job. Can I see it? Thank you. Okay, grab it. Grab it. You want to put it back? You want to put it in the water? Let me see. Can I have it? Belle, leave it, please. Thank you, Blue. Belle, out, please. Let me see your rock. Let me see it. I'm gonna go put it back. Ow, I stepped on a rock. Oh, you missed. Blue, stop. Wrong one. Blue, stop. There you go, right there. Back up. There you go, right there. Good job. Belle, out, please. Leave it. Thank you. Did you find it, Blue? Did we lose it? Oh, I found it. Right here. There you go. Leave it alone, please. You're good, Blue. Ooh, I found a big sand crab. Ooh. Ooh, she's pregnant. Belle, leave it, please. Blue, what's this? Good boy. What's that? Oh. Belle, what's that? Leave it. It's not a rock. She's gonna lay her eggs. Belle, come on. You ready to go back? You want to do it one more time? Oh, I lost where she went. Can I have it? Thank you. Last one. Ready? A little bit deeper. Can you find it? I'm hoping he just digs it. Go ahead, find it. I'll help you. Here it is. I found it. Right there. There it is. Oh, you missed. Right there? Okay, there you go. You got it. Did you get it? Almost. Is that the right one? There's two. You got a big one. Wait, Blue, that's not it. Blue. Blue, this one. Right here. Blue. Stop. There you go. There it is. No, you got it. You got it. Blue. You got it. Right here. He's getting tired. There you go. You gonna put it in the water? Where are you going? That's it, Belle. You're done. Out. Come on. So I don't trust you over there. Stop. Belle. Down. Down, please. All the way. Good. And stay. Ready? Last one. Right there. Good, stay. Go ahead, Blue. Grab it. Last one. There you go. You're okay, Blue. You're all right. All right, let's go rest. Blue, I got it. Right here. It's right there. It's right there. We're done. No more. Down. Thank you. Stay. All right, let's go rest. Down. Stop anticipating what I'm gonna say. Stay, please. All right. All right, Belle, let's go. Now you don't want to go. Let's go. Thank you. Shake it off. Belle, stop. Thank you. We're good. Blue, I see it. Leave it alone. Now that we got all that out, that was a fun little thing. Thank you, Blue. Hold on. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Shake the water off. That excitement, that blowing the bubbles, all that stuff. Belle, over here, please. We're done. Come lay down. You, down. Your seeking system's on overdrive. We're gonna go get some lunch. You stay. You okay? Thank you. Stay. Thank you. You gonna shake it off? That's it. Let's relax. Let's dry off and we'll go home. Butt's quivering. Nose really up in the air. Their ears are even searching. He's not done playing. Thank you, Belle. He wants to go home. Are you done? All right. Thank you. You want to cuddle? Ready to go home? All right, let's go dry off. I will walk barefoot. This is Scott with effective dog behavior. We're gonna head back. Take a nice little walk to drive back. All right, let's go, kids. Blue, this way. Belle, this way.